Ladies and gentlemen, good day and welcome. How is everyone doing today? So we have a wonderful Tuesday, and I would like to introduce myself. My name is Thomas. Guys, can you see my screen? Can you hear me? I wonder. I think I should be audible and visible now. I think everything is all right, guys. If you need to adjust the volume of this stream, you can do it in your settings, and also don't forget to check the quality of the broadcast as well. You can adjust this in the right hand corner. So, guys, like I said, my name is Thomas. I'm an analyst and a trader with OLYMP TRADE, and today my duty will be to demonstrate to you a strategy which is called Safari. So the Safari strategy is, well, basically it's one of our old classics. So we should even have like a cocktail called Safari. I don't know. Then Safari is a nice mix of two indicators. So we need to click on the analysis tab, on the technical analysis tab. Next, we need to go to strategies, and there all you need to do is you need to scroll down and select Safari, which is right at the very bottom of the expert strategies. So guys, I hope I'm audible. Well, I'm back, and I hope that you're still watching this webinar. I know we've had a little bit of a delay here, and okay, so I don't know what's happened to the internet. It's just kind of like this black swan. That yeah, we are back. Okay, we are back with this stream. So guys, feel free to throw in your comments, anything. I'm all here. I'm all yours. The stream is here, so feel free to continue watching, to resume watching the stream. So, anyways, let me go ahead. I think everything should be a-okay. Stream is not working properly, so please reboot your page, your browser page, and I think everything should be all right. So, guys, let me, yeah, I think everything should be okay. So I'm checking on YouTube, and unfortunately, these such technical problems, they do occur from time to time. Yes, everything works fine. So if anyone is still here with me, all right, guys, let us get back to trading. Right, so where did I stop? I stopped here. So we need to click on this technical analysis tab on the bottom of the chart. So we click there. Next we go to open instruments, and you can just start typing Safari. So now we have this search field where you can just type the name of a strategy, and you'll find this strategy here. So then we press enable strategy, and voila, we have this strategy right on our screen. And so like I said, this strategy is called Safari. Very simple strategy to understand, works pretty well, has a well, just basically you can have so many different so many trades with this strategy, because this strategy belongs to the so-called trending category of strategies, where you basically have a trend or you have a certain situation, and while the signal from indicators is there, you can open multiple trades. So you don't have to limit yourself to just 1, 2, 3 trades. You can actually, like I say, what I like to say, you can catch the wave. All right. So here is my first trade. My first trade is here. I opened this trade in the downwards direction, so $15. And yeah, basically we are looking for a down trade here. So why a down trade? Well, because when I was opening this trade, I had two layers of confirmation. So I was looking at two layers of confirmation. So layer of confirmation number one comes from this indicator, which is the MACD indicator. And the second layer of confirmation is the Williams %R indicator, which is basically this green histogram under the chart, below the chart. And it basically tells us that if these hashes of the histogram are under the midline, that means we are in the bearish sentiment, right? So we have bullish sentiment and we have bearish sentiment. So in both of these indicators, in both these two indicators, the bearish sentiment is when they both are under their middle line. So it doesn't matter if it's 0, -50, it doesn't matter. All that matters is that we have this like basically division between bears and so the bears area and the bulls area. And yeah, and okay, another thing that I wanted to tell you is that or to demonstrate you so you can see this, basically as long as these conditions, as long as these signals are still there, we can open multiple trades in the downwards direction. So we can open even another one. So like I said, this is a trending strategy. So as long as you feel that there is a proper signal, or you have a proper signal from based on your experience, you can keep opening trades. So 1, 2, like maybe you can vary, like duration can vary. Like I prefer 3 minutes, 5 minutes. So I mostly trade 3-minute trades when my time frame of analysis is 1 minute. So basically 1 minute multiplied by 3. That's my coefficient, which is proven by my practice. So everyone has their own coefficients. So in my case, it's in my case it's 3. So I usually multiply my current time frame by 3, and that's how I get my rate of return. Okay, my not rate of return, but my duration of trades. Now, guys, let me go ahead and find some new signal. Okay, so another signal came from appears on Asia Composite Index, and on this index we can clearly see that the both histograms of these two indicators, they look downwards, they are under their midlines, and that is a bearish signal or a downwards signal for these both indicators. And basically this combined signal gives us the chance to open down trades. Okay, not all trades close with a profit, but we should aim for 55 to 60% profitable trades. And with proper money management, this number of trades, which doesn't really seem, like a huge number of profitable trades, it's just 55%. Is it much? No, it's not much. But that is our break-even point from where we start making money. Basically, if you trade only 90, like those trades with 90, those assets with 90% rate of return, you only need 52.5% winning trades, as long as your amount of trades is fixed. If you follow the so-called LCS or loss compensation system or martingale, you can get away with just 25% profitable trades, but you need to look for those moments. Like basically, what is critical in that situation is that you don't want to have any situation where you have a combination of losing trades in a row. Like everything has to be like one profitable, one negative trades, profitable, negative. Like they don't, you can have like two profitable trades, but you never want to have like losing trades, like 5, 6 in a row. That's a little bit dangerous if you follow this like multiplication rule or multiplier. Yes. All right. So what is up with my football index? All right. So 2 trades have already closed with a profit. Two more trades are still active, still pending. Asia Composite Index. Okay, so I can go ahead and check commodity composite index. Okay, and like a little bit neutral signal. Let me find something else. Arabian Astro. So with this strategy, actually, you get to choose which index you will trade because there are so many different. Yeah, there was this huge major news release 1.5 hours ago. That is also very interesting. Yeah. By the way, I have two open trades on Forex. So one is on Brent, so I'm already making plus $4 in this position, and a trade that I opened today, this morning, a USD JPY trade. So I shorted this asset because that was like a double top or something, like a very technical formation, and now I'm making this profit. Okay, so it's unrealized profit. I still haven't taken. It's kind of there, but if you want to transfer this profit to your account, you need to close the trade. So that is the one of the most difficult parts in trading. So knowing when to close your trades, because all the time you just feel, okay, maybe I should keep my. It's kind of like so you either close your trades too early or you close them too late. So it's very difficult to find the perfect timing with that. So guys, another trade appears on Asia Composite Index. As you can see, we've been downtrending since, well, since the beginning of this hour, since 1702 my local time, and the signal is there. So following this beautiful strategy, I open a trade downwards. My trade on gold. All right, so 20 seconds to go on this trade. Right. While I'm waiting for this trade to close, I will take a signal. I will take a question from chat. So, Thomas, when I trade stock using strategies, it does the in the opposite direction always. Any suggestion? Well, it just cannot go always because it is never like, say, 50-50, or it's, I mean, like, it is never like 90 to 10. It's always like 60 to 40 or 35 to 65. So this kind of ratio. So I think it's not really like that. Okay, so let me open another trade on gold. So it's not really like that. Well, I would say you need to, so maybe, okay, or maybe you need to do the following thing. So since you found a strategy that works completely opposite way, so start using it in the like opposite direction. So when you have an up trade, you open a down trade, and when you have a down trade, you open an up trade. Something like this. Just start doing everything in the opposite direction. I think that's probably the best suggestion I can provide in this case, because maybe you've just managed to find something, some real unusual approach, some real unusual way of trading, based on this strategy. So it's just very. That can be. I don't know. So about 1 minute FTT trades. Yes. Well, actually, we have a few trading strategies. I think even what was the one? I think I saw it today in the market. So in the market, we have this new feature, which is football gifts from Ronaldinho, and I think it was this one. Football sound pack. Okay, should I enable this? Yes. Free. Okay, so nice. I have purchased something. Wow. I have not seen this. I actually wanted to demonstrate to you this. I think dribble Ronaldinho signed football theme. Okay, so let's enable this. How to enable the sound pack? Okay, so we need to reload the app or page. We need to go to settings. Okay, maybe I'll do it next time. And then so I need to press the theme. So I think I need to go here. I need to click settings, appearance, and And where is football? Oh yeah, here's football. Right, guys, do you like it? Oh wow. So this is something crazy. This is something that I've not done before. I'm just like demonstrating to you live how this theme works. Oh my god. I think it's a little too bright. So anyways, all of my trades, I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No, hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 winning trades in a row. Wow. Probably the best start of any webinar that I've ever had. Okay, so let me let me go back. I think it's a little too bright now. I think it's like hurts my eyes a little bit. Okay, so dark, classic dark theme. Now, let us continue trading, guys. So football index. Okay, so football index. Well, probably I should have just stayed on this football index. Should have, because it seems to just be closing with more and more profit. I don't know. Oh, can I make up to 100K in a day? I don't think that's well, it depends on your investment. So basically, 100K in a day, yes. Well, I mean, are you asking about US dollars? Okay, so 100K of what? So it really does depend. Okay, so let me explain my next trade. So it's Arabian index, and let me open this kind of like multiple cascade of trades. So 3 trades based on one trading signal, all with different direction. 3 minutes, 5 minutes, and 7-minute trades. So 3 trades altogether. So up to 100K US dollars. I think in order to do that, you need to have at least $1 million in your account at least. I think that's a little bit well, that's possible. I wish everyone could make 100K in one day. So if you're talking about rupees or so INR or so INR 100K, yes, that's absolutely possible. I know many people or traders who do that on a regular basis, but that's only 1.7, 1.3 thousand dollars. So a lot depends on your currency, of course. Okay, so gold might now be reversing a little bit because I see this reluctancy in terms of future drops. So yes, we are trading here. Okay, let's do another trade on football index, a downwards trade. Your forex strategies are the best. Well, thank you very much. Which one do you like? Which one do you like the most? All right, so that was a joke from gold. So gold is now keeps dropping. Basically, that was a nice little rebound here, small rebound, and now made some profit. All right, commodity composite index. Okay, so wow, guys, we just happen to be in this hour where everything is kind of going like trendy, pretty trendy hour, I would say so far. So far, it has been. Yeah, if something starts growing, then it continues growing. If something starts dropping, it just continues dropping. Yes, let's try. Yeah, let's try pound. So we haven't tried the Great Britain pound against the US dollar yet in this webinar. So football index. Okay, maybe now the time has come for a little recovery, little rebound, because before that we've just been descending. Maybe now it's time to do some or wait for some reversal. Even though the signal is there, let's watch this asset closely. I'm a beginner. How can I start forex trading? Give me some advice or UI's opinion, please. Yes, well, basically what you have to understand is that there isn't much difference between FTT and Forex, because the underlying assets and your basic skills that are required in trading are all the same. So what you need to do is you need to be able to make correct forecast when it comes to trading. So it doesn't really matter the mechanics, because you still need to guess the direction. Maybe not to guess. On the one hand, yes, we call it guessing, but maybe on the other hand, I would say knowing, like predicting, making forecasts. So if you are able to make consistently correct forecasts, so say 60% of your forecasts are correct, all you need to do is you need to change your time frame. So from 1 minute you go to 1 hour time frame, you switch to Forex mode, and then you just open Forex trades. And probably the most important skill that is required in this area, in this field of trading, is that you need to be able to properly manage your trades. That means that you need to let your profits grow, and you need to learn how to cut your profits, you need to learn how to cut your losses quickly and how to let your profits grow. Because Forex is this mode of trading, is this kind of trading where your profit completely depends on how far your well, basically trade travels and changes. Okay, so result 0. Okay, so this is a sign of market flat market protection. So I think, so let me explain to you how it all works. I think I've just had like 2 trades like that. Yes, basically when your opening quote and closing quote differ by just 1 pip, so one last digit here, it means that your trade closes with a refund, with a return, which oftentimes, so that would have been a winning trade, and this would have been a winning trade as well. Okay, so so the market has not given me, okay, so this mode flat market protection. See, I had this 1 pip difference in my favor, which many people complain that they feel that, okay, so they feel that they have these unfair closings with like 1 pip against them. But in my case, I just had like 2 trades which otherwise would have closed with profit. Now they closed with a refund because because this mode of trading, flat market protection, had been enabled before. Yeah, I'm not complaining here, just explaining how this market protection principle works. Would you mind showing how to predict the trend by looking at the candlesticks like doji? Yes, doji is a very distinctive candlesticks pattern. Basically, doji helps predict trend reversals. So it is very much visible on the daily time frame, and it really, okay, so let me go ahead. Yes, something like this. After some serious descent, we have this doji-like candlestick, and from there it goes up. Like, of course, you need to take into consideration. Wow, so much flat market protection. Okay, at least no losing trades so far. Wow, probably my best webinar ever. So guys, yeah, with this, the doji, okay, so maybe I should have like a different, yeah, something like this. Yeah, perfect example. So we have a growing trend. So the price grows up, and then we have this doji candlestick, and then the price starts descending, kind of like that. Then you have another doji, and then, oops, unfortunately the price drops, but then later the price goes up. The price goes up again, the chart goes up again. So it is really one of those patterns that can, yeah, like maybe this one I would still call a doji. This one, so doji is a pattern of indecisiveness from the chart. So the chart doesn't really know where decided the price has not decided where it will go next. And it's more like a reversal sign for the price. And usually the price goes like down after an uptrend, and on the contrary, the price goes up when it's like a downtrend. So wow, that is interesting, guys. So football index is there, Europe Composite Index. Okay, so what I plan to do now is I plan on opening a few more trades. So these are going to be my final trades for this webinar. Okay, Arabian General Index dropping, Astro Index. So I will open trades, and then we can talk a little bit about trading. And I also think that maybe we should maybe one day we should do some probably, I think it's probably going to happen next year. So I think from January we should start having more webinars and more diverse topics. So now we mostly talk about FTT trades. So I think the time has come that we should really talk about some technical analysis, some maybe doji and all other sorts of trading indicators which are there and which can help you analyze the charts. Okay, so Bitcoin, wow, so there was a significant rise in price. Now we were close to 18,000 on Bitcoin. Now we've dropped a little bit, but still that is a pretty good number. Okay, and Canada GPY. All right, guys, I think this is going to be it. I don't want to open any more trades as of now. I think I already have quite a few trades, and wow, yeah, probably I don't know. I would probably want to open one more trade. Yeah, I think that this is a very good signal because the first layer of confirmation, this one is under the middle line, together with the signal from the Williams %R indicator. So they both are, yes, which indicators are you using? So in this strategy, we have a combination of Williams %R indicator and the MACD indicator. So moving average convergence divergence, or for short, it's called MACD. So it's like McDonald's, but it's just MACD, MACD, and Williams %R. And basically you can change this period a little bit. You can play with that. I usually follow the basic settings of this indicator. I don't like to, not in this strategy. So 14 is totally fine. MACD, yes, once again, basic settings. We have a little different settings with this strategy in Kind Martin strategy, where we use some different parameters, but here we just have basic ones. And yeah, guys, that is it. So which indicators? Yes, Williams %R and MACD indicator. One Forex analysis, please. Well, you have to understand that Forex is not so different from like FTT trades. So let me go ahead and do some brand analysis. So as of now, Brent has gone up from 75.5 dollars per barrel, and now we are trading back at 80.5, so $5 up already. I think the nearest level of resistance is somewhere here, so around 82.5, and if the price goes there, then probably you can open a counter trending trade, maybe, or yeah, just kind of like that. So that's well, basically we talked about this yesterday on Monday. and I've already had a few. Well, guys, by the way, yes, talking about brand, yes. Didn't I open this trade yesterday? Yes, I did open this trade during my webinar, and I showed you exactly how and what I analyzed based on what on what were my decisions based, and basically so far I'm like making this profit. And on brand, I should already bring my stop loss to at least 50% profit. So from a profitable trade like that, you never want to go back to zero. Like, okay, so you always want to take at least like one or at least 50%. I don't know, at least 1/3 of your unrealized P&L, at least. So guys, this is it for today's webinar. And look, I only have one losing trade through this webinar. Isn't it fantastic? Even though I had a few flat market protection trades, some of them, okay, so this would have been a profitable trade, and this one again. Wow, what is this? I don't know. I just basically this flat market protection mode. Wow, 83 guys. I don't know. Basically, I should not. I won't use it, and then trades will close with a profit, with a loss. I don't know. It's markets. I mean, like after 10 years trading, I'm just used to anything. Okay, so let's do some calculations here. So I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 16 profitable trades, one losing trade, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, and 7 flat market protection trades. Isn't it fantastic, guys? Press that like button if you liked my today's trading. But basically, I've never seen, I don't even remember that I had such a great result during my webinar. I just made like plus almost $200, like 193, I think, to be exact. And I had like 16 profitable trades out of, yeah, so let's do it 17. Like, yeah, I don't even know how to count this. That's like more than 90% profitable trades. I don't know, was it the strategy or was it the market, but it's pretty fantastic. Okay, if you really made $2,000 copying me and you're not lying, then my congratulations. I always like when people make profits based on my suggestions or just based on my trading strategies. But yeah, guys, it's been a fantastic trading session. Okay, so sir, I'm new here. How much to deposit? Well, you always want to start with an amount that is comfortable for you. Like you never want to start with huge amounts of money, because you need to be trading in the so-called in the comfort zone. Like on the one hand, you want to be progress and you want to learn, but on the other hand, your trading should be comfortable for your psychology, for your mentality, because you don't want to like overstretch your like mentality, and you don't want to like be afraid that not thinking about how do I execute my next trade, but instead to be thinking like I cannot afford losing this money. After this session, what's your plan? My plan is to retire and go to Bahamas. No, I'm kidding. After this session, I will probably take a little break, and then I might continue trading, or I might open a few forex trades. So basically, I like to treat any trading session like, like in just one out of many. You shouldn't allocate too much attention to your profitable sessions or to your losing sessions. Just trade, find this amount of money that is comfortable for you. You don't want to start trading like huge amounts of money. You don't want to be ahead of the moving train. You want to find your pace, and you only need to compare yourself with you sometime before. Okay, so guys, I think it's been a pretty good trading session so far, and I would like to finish here, but I invite you to our next webinar, which takes place this Thursday. My colleague, I think, yeah, I keep confusing guys. I think Himanshu. Yeah, I think it's gonna be Himanshu, and Himanshu will do a webinar on the confrontation strategy. So guys, press those likes buttons. I will see you soon, and I will see you next week. And please do attend Himanshu's webinar. It's going to be a confrontation strategy, a similar strategy, but with with a different set of indicators. Can you do one on Forex now? Well, you cannot really do any trades on Forex just like you want to do a trade. You need to do some analysis, and sometimes this analysis, you shouldn't be opening trades just for the sake of it. Instead, you need to find how authentic is OLYMP trade. Could you try to discuss on this? Well, OLYMP trade is authentic. OLYMP trade is real. We've been on the market since 2014, so that is a pretty good sign that we are authentic. As long as I understand what you mean by authentic. Buy Brent for 200 in Forex, it will be up trend for months. I'm not sure that it will be an uptrend for months, but of course, I think now the OPEC plus countries are not willing to for the prices to go down. They are enjoying their current prices, and I think they do not plan on stopping here anytime soon. So yeah. Okay, guys. Well, let's finish here. Please prepare your questions for